moving the entire tiny house back and forth. Ugh. Well, I'd like to get those screws in. I wonder if there's a way to... Okay. Okay, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get this thing, unfortunately. But I think this holes now line up, and I'm pretty sure they do. This one has to be adjusted, but once it's held at the bottom, won't really matter. So we got it shimmied over, guys. The screw hole here is perfectly lined up at the bottom. This one is, well, let's just say it's close. How about that? And I think we're almost down to the bottom on this thing. Whoops. Come on. All the way down. There we go. Almost. Well, it's pretty close. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about before I put the legs in. Grab the camera here. Show you exactly what I'm talking about. So we're getting a little more progress. Okay, so right here, guys, you can see the hook has got that screw holding the fireplace. If you go down here, you can see a hole. That lines up and goes right through. You add the other screw through there. Now some of the paint has come off because it's brand new, obviously. That's the way it is. This one's holding. It's down almost perfectly flush. But the trick is, the bottom hole here does not look like it's totally lined up. But maybe if I start the screw, we will be okay in that regard. We'll find out. Ah, wonderful. So, a lot of work, but in the end, I'm sure it will be worth it. Because you only want to really do this one time, and then, you know, go from there. So, I'm going to try to get all the legs buttoned up to the bottom plate. Then I'm going to put this screw, I'm going to put the back screws in, which are over here, but we'll do that in a second. Because I got to line up I got to put the fresh air plate in and lock in at least one of the, you put a nut right there. And I'm going to grab one of the bolts and washers provided. Get at least one of these in. Actually, I should not have put gloves on, because this will be delicate work. Okay, that's one in. I'm going to take my gloves off and get the other corner in. Oops. Yeah, that plate has a tendency to want to move around wherever it wants, because it's just floating basically until you put these screws in, or these bolts in. And we'll tighten those back up. So far so good. We're lined up, guys. So I figured out how to do that. And I'll tighten all these up. I gotta get one more nut, because I don't have one ready here. Just for this back corner. There we go. I'd push it forward a little bit. Come on, get in there. Yeah. It's being annoying. What am I hitting on? Should go right up inside of there. Okay, that one's going to be an issue. I got no room to really work around it, which is annoying. How come I can't see that? Let me start it with a screwdriver maybe. Keep it straight. Come on, you. Oh, I see. There we go. Where'd that nut go? Got her. Had to just push the one foot back a tad to get it totally lined in. So I'm going to use the screwdriver now. Tighten these up nice and snug. Yeah, we're there. Ta-da! Alright. We're tightened in, guys. Okay, now I gotta put the bolts in with the straight blade screwdriver. So, I want to kind of start here with the one that's not quite lined up. And should be fun because I don't have a magnetic screwdriver bit for this. think the screw passed through both because I'm getting quite a few turns through it. Thank God. And that will help definitely secure that beast. Perfection. I can tighten up this one a little tad. Not too much though. And we'll put this one in on the other side, which will be fun because I have zero room to work at the tiny house. Well, I hope it's going in. I think it is. Find out shortly. Not quite. That's annoying. I gotta do contortionist moves to do it. That's my fault though. Super annoying. I may have to pull my tub out just so I can stand back here and line this up for one screw. Annoying. Annoying. Super annoying. Alright, I'm gonna have to go do that. So I'll be back once I pull the laundry tub out.